Welcome to our tutorial on easy home remedies for fast weight loss. In this video, we'll provide you with effective tips and tricks to help you lose weight quickly and naturally. Using natural home remedies for weight loss has many benefits. They're affordable, safe, and easy to prepare. Let's take a closer look at why you should use home remedies for weight loss. Home remedies are a great way to lose weight naturally. They can help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and reduce your appetite. Plus, they're much cheaper than expensive weight loss supplements. By using natural home remedies for weight loss, you can avoid the side effects that come with many weight loss supplements. Plus, you'll be able to achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's take a look at some of the most effective home remedies for weight loss. Drinking green tea is a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Apple cider vinegar can also help you lose weight by reducing your appetite. Lemon water is another great home remedy for weight loss. It can help you detoxify your body and boost your metabolism. Drinking ginger tea can also help you burn fat and reduce your appetite. Eating more protein is another effective way to lose weight. Protein can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Some great sources of protein include eggs, chicken, and fish. In addition to home remedies, there are some simple tips you can follow to achieve fast weight loss results. Exercising regularly is one of the most effective ways to burn fat and lose weight quickly. Drinking plenty of water is another important tip for fast weight loss. Water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Plus, it can help you flush out toxins and boost your metabolism. Getting enough sleep is also important for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and increase your appetite. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss goals. Reducing your stress levels can also help you lose weight. Stress can cause your body to produce more cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain. Try practicing relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation to reduce your stress levels. Eating a healthy diet is also crucial for weight loss. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, which can lead to weight gain. In conclusion, using natural home remedies and following these simple tips can help you achieve fast and sustainable weight loss. Remember to drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, and eat a healthy diet to support your weight loss goals.